The story of Islands and Seas began with the friendship of scientists Lauren and Eric. They met as graduate students, where they bonded over their love of the cabinets of curiosities. They are the founders of Islands and Seas, a nonprofit dedicated to discovery and conservation. In 2014, they purchased land in San Juanico, and through generous donations, grants, and the blood of their unborn children, began building a research station. Our story resumes in July of 2016, when, in Los Cabos, they were joined by an esteemed roster of scientists: Dr. Jack Dumbacher, ornithologist, Dr. Sarah Cruz, arachnologist, and Dr. Sarah Ruan, herpetologist, as well as a selection of promising students. From there, the expedition set forth, overnighting in La Paz and making its way to San Juanico, which is where we found them, at Ranchito Baja. The field course began with a brief lesson in coastal, subtropical, arid ecosystem safety. Topics covered were dehydration, stingrays, scorpions, snakes, and of course, cacti. In the days that followed, students participated in group lessons where they learned about the varying local ecosystems and proper field note-taking techniques. They set forth on excursions to look for native birds, spiders, snakes, and mammals. The bravest of the bunch waded into the glassy 75-degree bay for surfing lessons. The mission of Islands and Seas is to inspire the next generation of conservation biologists. Let's meet the students. Juliana, 23, assisted with the first Islands and Seas survey of spiders in the region. Venice, 18, was relentless in her quest for invertebrates and helped to document over 60 arachnid species. Cedric, 21, loved birding as well as the local refreshments. He helped to document 8 species of terrestrial mammals. Ryan, 26, found a way to combine his 2 passions, surfing and ornithology, documenting 53 species of birds. Nathalie, 18, caught and learned to house a variety of snakes and lizards until they could be identified. On the last night, each group presented their findings and reveled around the bonfire with their new friends. At Lights Out, the participants of the 2016 Islands and Seas Surf and Science Field Course said their goodnights and dreamed of their past and future adventures as scientists in distant lands.
Night, Ryan.
Stay tuned for the next chapter in the adventures of Islands and Seas.